guys, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. It's Lauren here, and today we've got a surprise video for you. We wanted to visit some past projects and then also update you on some upcoming projects and what we're thinking about for the month of September. This video is sponsored by Noom, and Neiman and I will be talking a little bit more later about Noom and how it is helping us better our lifestyle and our health habits. So let's get right into it. So we are revisiting this beautiful entertainment center that is a custom piece for a client who liked the past entertainment center but needed a little bit of a bigger one, and she picked basically the exact same finish and everything, except she did want different handles. When I first filmed this video and did this piece, we didn't have these yet because she ordered them off of Etsy. Well, I ordered them for her off of Etsy, and they came in a little bit ago. And so I am going to be just replacing these T knobs with these wooden and black knobs that she chose out for her piece. And then I also wanted to address the burlap situation here because I've gotten that video, I got so much hate for this burlap and the way that it looks, but I promise you it is not wrinkled, it is flat on there. Like, there's no bumps or anything like that. I know it looks like that on the video and on the camera, but I promise I would not sell or give a piece to someone that had imperfections like that. It is all intact and it is all good, and that is something that you guys know I always make sure to have is quality in my pieces. And if I want people to keep coming back, or if I want people to spread my name to other people, then I'm definitely going to make sure that my pieces are always quality controlled, and Neiman helps me with that too. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unscrew these handles and then put the new ones on. And there you have it. This one is all finished up and it's ready to go home to its new family. Let's move on to another project. Let's revisit Monday's chair flip. We've got some things to discuss. So for Monday's chair flip video, that was a very highly requested video to dye a chair. No, I did not paint the chair. I used RIT dye to dye the chair a different color, and I chose to do green because it was a more in-trend color, so I wanted to change it to from cream to green, which I did that, and then we posted the video and we got a lot of feedback. Some of the feedback was amazing feedback and you guys were so excited that I had tried something new, but some of the feedback wasn't so amazing. And I just want to remind you that I am a person too, and I am doing this YouTube channel, this Furniture Flipping Teacher channel. Neiman and I are doing this because we truly enjoy flipping furniture and videoing it, but then we also really enjoy our community that we've built up over the past 9 months. Our community is really centered around being supportive to people, and unfortunately there were a lot of not so supportive comments in that video. So I just wanted to address that, and I wanted to let you know that we really want to promote supporting each other. I did that video for you guys. Would I have dyed a chair on my own without your guys' suggestions? Probably not, because like I said, chair flips are just quick and easy, and they don't need to be dyed if they can be sold as is. But I wanted to try it out for you guys because, like I said, you requested it. We accept constructive criticism, but when you're tearing us down, that's where we draw the line, and we just, again, want to make sure that our FFT community is supportive of each other and of us. With all of that being said, Neiman also wanted to add his 2 cents into it as well.
I'd say it's more like 25 cents, but to tag along with what Lauren is saying, we love our community and we are so appreciative of everybody being here. And we like to be test dummies, essentially. And with that video and with a lot more videos you're going to be seeing in the upcoming future, I want to just preface that they're not necessarily going to be videos where Lauren has comfortability or experience doing these types of ideas, but also they might not even be projects that, if it hadn't been for our community recommending or suggesting them, that we would do otherwise. We're here to essentially start creating a business more and more every day. So Lauren can sit here every day and go do entertainment centers and do white with a gray top, Rust-Oleum glaze pieces all day and sell them and like clockwork and to help us build our business. But we're here to be creative. We're here to be inspiration, but also to try new things to hopefully give our community, to give you a new idea. So to be demeaned or to be reprimanded when experimenting, it just didn't make any sense for me personally when she had prefaced it so much in the video that we were doing this because our community has suggested it and it was our first time. Guys, we're experimenting. I think what we're doing is we're getting out there first and foremost, which a lot of people wouldn't do in the first place. And that's not to attack anybody, but all I'm saying is have a little bit of grace, have a little bit of love. And here on this channel, like she said, we're here to be sources of light to each other, to be positive and to be supportive. And I don't know if she really wanted me to say this, but if those things that we're asking of our community are too much for you to handle, then there are many more YouTube channels out there with their own communities that might encourage that type of negativity. But here on FFT and here on the flip side, that's not something that we're about. So take yourself elsewhere. You don't got to go home, but you got to get the hell up out of here. That's all I have. Cheers.
We do want to say thank you, though, to those of you who were very supportive of us. There were tons of supportive comments and people who were thankful that we did do that video. So thank you to you, and thank you to all of your constant support. I actually did end up selling that green chair within the same day that I posted it, honestly, and I sold it for $150. I updated you guys on YouTube community. I'm really trying to start doing that more and more, because if you're not following us over on Instagram, we still want you guys to be up to date over here on YouTube as well. We are going to move on, and we're going to actually talk about our sponsor for today's video, which is Noom.
All right, well, let's talk about Noom a little bit. Noom is, I feel, a lifestyle enhancer. It allows me to track, but also to learn about the underlying reasons on why my health can suffer. And why that's important to me is because when my health suffers, I feel my work in every other aspect of my life suffers.
The program is very unique in that it's a psychology-based and science-based program, and they have lessons that you can go through daily that just dive deeper into different things like food and calories or exercise and why walking is important versus just going up an elevator and different things like that. And one of my favorite lessons that we've taken is the caloric density of foods. Does 60 calories worth of grapes fill you up more, or 60 calories worth of raisins? Like, which one would you choose? It's the same amount of calories, but which one's going to make you feel more full? And that's going to be the grapes, because they are more dense. I just love the deeper dive that it gives me. So if you guys are interested in joining the Noom experience, be sure to click on the link down below in the description, and you will be led to a questionnaire.
It's quick, it's easy, and I think that it could really benefit some people out there who are looking to better their life, who are looking to take advantage of the time that we live in. So head down to the link below.
So Neiman and I are ready to make a transition with our video content here on FFT. I know that we have been promising you guys 2 videos every single week on Mondays and Thursdays for the past 9 months. And while we absolutely love creating those videos, we have been feeling a bit rushed and
overwhelmed and a little stressed out.
Yeah, to be completely honest. And we have to get pieces done and filmed and edited, and while we've been doing it for 9 months, it hasn't been the most smooth 9 months for that content to come out on time every day, like you guys have kind of seen. So we have decided that since I would like to put more of a focus on the quality of the furniture that I do, and also to try some different unique things, that in the month of September we are only going to be launching 1 video a week, and that is going to be on Thursdays. Don't forget, you can still get your FFT dose ×2 every week, because we are over on Dixie Belle's YouTube channel.
And that's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We are still on Dixie Belle's channel for FFT Fridays. So you can get a back-to-back Thursday, Friday. They launch those at 11 a.m. on Fridays, 11 a.m. Central Time. Head over there and get subscribed as well. We know that it might come as a surprise, but I think that it's going to benefit all of us in the long run.
I really think that the quality of the videos and the pieces are going to increase from us doing this. Everything is going to benefit from us just adjusting the pace. Not that we're working any less harder, that's for sure,
right,
but that we're giving more time and more love to each individual project. So we'll see how it goes, but we wanted to share that with you guys so you're not there on Mondays waiting all night. We want you guys still to get a good night's sleep, so no 7 p.m.s on Monday. Get your sleep.
And the last thing that we wanted to do in this video is actually talk about some of the upcoming projects in September. So let's head over to the rest of the shop and I'll show you what projects I've got in the works. All right, so here is project number 1 in September. I'm going to be making over this beautiful mid-century modern dresser using Melange 1, which is their new paint line that's launching on September 1st. 1 is all-in-one paint, so it's got that primer, paint, and top coat all built in. And the next project after that one, for the following Thursday, I believe on September 9th, is I'm going to be painting this custom piece. This is from someone and they got it hand built, but moral of the story is the person that built it for them didn't do the best job, but they fixed it up and they sanded it all down, and so my job is to make it pretty again by painting it. So that's going to be painted with some Dixie Belle colors. This piece has a really awesome lesson in it and I can't wait to share that with you guys. The next one is actually not here because we have to do a little bit of traveling to go to a family friend, and it is a kitchen cabinet makeover. So I'm going to be using some paint, Beyond Paint, and we're going to be making over some kitchen cabinets. So that's going to be another fun one on the 16th of September. And then on the 23rd of September, I am going to be hopefully restoring this mid-century modern hutch. There's a little bit of damage, but I mostly want to keep as much wood as possible. Might add some legs to it and just make it pretty again and sell it. And then for September 30th, I haven't decided on a project yet. So if you have any ideas for September 30th on something that I should do, be sure to comment down below and let me know, because I love to hear from you guys and I love to do suggested videos. That's the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of all over the place, but we really wanted to share all of the things that are in our head with you guys and bring you along continue bringing you along our journey and our thoughts as we move forward with FFT. Again, we just thank you for all of your constant support and kind words. Be sure to just keep on creating and try new things. I know I'm excited to try some new things for you guys, so definitely be sure to let me know what you want me to do down in the comments. See you on the flip side. We actually have a couple more updates for you guys. So yesterday we released a video using Beyond Paint, and I love this paint, but we did get a couple of questions, and since we're releasing this video, we wanted to just go ahead and update you about some of the questions that you guys had down in the comments. So one of the main questions was, how much of the paint did I use? And I usually share this, but sometimes things just get slipped past me and I forgot to share how much paint I used. So this is a 32-ounce quart size, and I used under half of this size of paint. So it's still about 2/3 full. So, you know, we could probably still get 2 more projects out of this if the projects were a similar size to the dresser that I just did. So you guys, even though this is $50 on Beyond Paint's website, they also do have that pint size, but even though it's a little bit of a more costly product, think about it. You're not gonna have to invest in a primer. You're not going to have to take that time sanding very much unless there's like really, really deep gouges. You're obviously gonna wanna sand those out, but then you're also not going to have to invest in that top coat because everything is all in one. So just keep that in mind when you are purchasing this product. We actually ended up getting a code for you guys for 15% off. So if you use the code BEYOND15 when you're checking out over on their website, we'll link it down below in this description as well, then you'll get 15% off, but that's only valid for 2 weeks. So get your orders in now. There's one last thing that we wanted to talk about with you guys, and that is about our vlog channel.
We had to pause because Lauren went over to her old para's retirement party, and so that explains the change in outfit that she's experiencing right now. But that's beside the point.
We wanted to discuss the flip side with you, our vlog channel. A couple of months ago, we were so excited. Wait, it hasn't even been a couple months.
It hasn't been a month?
A month?
Yeah.
About a month ago, we were so excited about just sharing our lives with you guys, and we still are so excited about doing that. But basically, we kind of feel like we jumped the gun in creating a new channel so fast.
To maintain the flip side on top of maintaining our intense posting schedule on FFT, it's proven to be pretty difficult.
Challenging. At this point in time, we have just felt like we aren't able to give that channel as much attention as we feel that it deserves. We've decided that instead of putting our vlog style videos over on the flip side, that we are going to kind of return back over here to FFT.
Just like this video was a surprise, we are going to keep those supplemental videos that are, sorry, it's the end of the day. We want to keep it a surprise when we post those videos here on this channel. So outside of our normal schedule, like Lauren was discussing earlier, our new schedule of Thursday posts, you're going to see some supplemental videos get posted here that will include renovations of the house, side projects, and behind the scenes of what we do and the adventures that we have.
We love the surprise factor.
So we just wanted to update you guys on that and update you guys with the Beyond Paint stuff and everything. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and I think that's all we got.
We'll see you on the flip side.